Submachine gun and pistol seized in Bog Walk. 2 men arrested. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 2 men are in police custody after a Mach 11 submachine gun with an extended magazine and a Beretta pistol were allegedly recovered at their home yesterday. The St. Catherine police say that at around 6:30 a.m. during a joint operation in the Swampland Bog Walk area, a house was searched and illegal guns were found. The names of the 43-year-old and the 23-year-old suspects are being withheld pending further investigation by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.